Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Here we have a Harley-Davidson FLFBS Fat Boy 114. This is a 2019 bike on a 19 plate with just 3,054 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in absolutely immaculate condition. It comes in the wicked red colour scheme. That's not me really liking it, that's the official Harley-Davidson name, and looks absolutely stunning. You've got the Vance Hines big radius pipes or leaf blowers, and they sound absolutely phenomenal. We shall fire it up and have a listen. There's that solid rear wheel, synonymous with the Fat Boy model of course. The rear mudguard, there's no corrosion on there at all, it's in fantastic order. The rear tyre's got plenty of life left in it. Standard number plate, no corrosion on the foot pegs. The seat, there's no rips, tears or damage, and that's the twin seat on this model. All the paint on the petrol tank is absolutely in beautiful condition. There's no marks on the levers, the bar end or the mirrors there, and the indicators likewise all absolutely superb. Running boards fitted on this, and of course that 114 Milwaukee Eight motor, or 1,868 cc's in modern money. No corrosion on the engine there at all, no paint flaking off the fins or anything like that. The frame rails are all in stunning condition. Of course the bike does come with data tag security marking. The oil cooler just tucked in there, and the front wheel, again that solid front wheel, again synonymous with the Fat Boy model, absolutely pristine, and the front forks all in superb condition as well. No stone chips on the front of the headlight or on those forks, and the front mudguard, no chips on there, no corrosion. As you can see, the leading edge there absolutely clean as a whistle. Front tyre, again, loads of life left in that one. The left hand side of the bike, that is as clean and tidy as the right. You've got no damage there on the bar end, lever or mirror or the indicator. All the front forks, again that shroud around the forks there, that's a Fat Boy feature, always has been. Of course the Fat Boy made its film debut in Terminator 2. This is the model that Arnold Schwarzenegger was flying down the levee, I think they call it, chasing the CRF 125 with about 1 million gears, if you remember that. No marks on the foot pegs or the gear lever there, and the engine case is absolutely pristine, just like the rest of the engine there. No paint flaking off, no dents in the tank. Again, no rips or tears in the seat. And your side panel, all fantastic condition. Swinging arm, rear pegs, and the belt and belt guard, all absolutely pristine, along with that rear wheel. No marks on that rear mudguard on this side either, or the indicator. So if you're looking for an iconic Harley-Davidson Softail model, look no further than this absolutely beautiful Fat Boy. The Vance Hines big radius pipes on this bike sound amazing. Let's fire it up and have a listen. Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning Harley-Davidson, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.